Meaning of flirtatiously.
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 Flirtatiously. Flirtatiously is an adverb that describes behavior that is intended to attract or seduce someone, usually in a lighthearted or playful way. When someone behaves flirtatiously, they may use suggestive language, touch, or eye contact to convey their interest. The result of flirtatious behavior can vary, but often it can lead to romantic or sexual attraction, or simply a fun and flirty interaction between two people. However, it can also be perceived as inappropriate or offensive if not reciprocated or welcomed by the other person.